Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A23, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings. From there you want to navigate to quickly try to locate it. So it's in general management, as you can see right over here, and then at the bottom you'll find reset, and here you want to select factory data reset. This will bring up a message, or a list more like, of things that it will remove. So quickly going over the important stuff that it will remove that you should care about, that would be things like pictures, music, and user data. Now, as you see, there are several other options like downloaded apps, settings, system and app data, and Google accounts. Obviously, you don't have to worry about those whatsoever, because all these things are primarily cloud stored. Google accounts are on Google servers, so you just need to relog into them. App data, you really shouldn't probably care about it, because it's just the data of an app, which usually when you re-download the app, it recreates that data. So again, not a problem there. Settings, again, those are settings, you can change them. Downloaded apps, you can re-download them, and that's basically it. So anyway, obviously if you want to keep some of those stuff that are provided right here, do make a copy of it before you begin. But assuming you have already made a copy, or you just simply don't want to, you can scroll down, select reset. If you have some kind of screen lock on your device, you will need to confirm it right now. I have a pattern, so there we go. And then this brings me to the next page. All your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and cannot be recovered. So it just affirms the removal of all the data that we mentioned before. Let's just like delete all, and this will begin a process. Oh no, I actually first have to sign out of a Google account, which kind of effing stupid considering I needed to put in a screen lock. And assuming I know the screen lock, why would I need to sign out? Now, I actually don't know if I know the password for it, so if I don't, I'm just gonna say that you need to press OK and proceed further, but let me just try. Okay, so I actually managed to get it. So this will now go through a factory reset, which will take about like 3 minutes to finish up, give or take. And once it's finished, we will be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.